All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to update ApeCoin really quick here. So Ape is currently sitting at 202. We're up 12% on the week, and we've been watching this descending channel here. If we go to the 3-day chart, it looks more like a falling wedge pattern. But ultimately, it is a bullish market structure being formed here for a push higher at some point. So I switched the lines to this channel tool here. And I just want to point something out. We are getting stuck right now at our 50-day EMA right at the 236 at 205. You can see here with that wick. And ultimately, it looks like we are going to come back down. But I would say you can see how sometimes from the low to the high of the channel, we hang around the middle here, this middle dotted line here. So if we come down after this thing has formed like this, and we come down to this middle line or the 21-day EMA and we kind of hang out for support, that would be making a lower high here, which is very bullish. So if we come down to about $1.85 to $1.87 or so, if we lose that 21-day EMA and hang around the middle of this channel here, then that is a good indication. That's going to be our springboard to finally push over that 205 level here. So just kind of keep an eye out on that level here. So from where we are right now, we already are getting rejected at that 205, at that 236, and coming down. If we take out the 21-day EMA, it is currently at 194, and we do dip down into the 180 level. Look for about 185, 186, 187 to hold. If we end up holding this middle of this channel here for support, that could be bullish for a move higher. Of course, we still could drop down to the $1.70 level, and you can see that's about a little over a 14% drop back down to this $1.73 level here. So either of those is going to come into play, I would say. But like I said, if we do make that higher low here, that is bullish, a bullish market structure that is forming, and that could be the spring that pushes us over 205 here. And depending how long that takes, I would say we're gunning for that 0.5, but you can see the 100-day EMA is already at that price point at 247. So however long this takes to play out, these of course are all curling down. We may meet that 100 down here at your 382 at 227. So from the high to the low to the 382 could be all she wrote for Ape, and you're still bearish at that point, and then we could just come crashing back down. But as of now, we are in this bullish market structure pattern that has formed, and I would say it's only a matter of time before we get that point to where we bounce and we get over 205. Then watch for 227 here, and then your 0.5 retracement at 247. So from where we are right now, if we just continue up and we break through 205 and we get some momentum going, you're looking at a 12% move in store for Ape here to the 382. So just kind of keep an eye on that. If for some reason we come down to the middle point here, about that $1.85 area, and we do get that bounce, then you're looking to have your first resistance, of course, back at that 205 for almost an 11% move, and then that 382 retracement at 227 for about a 22% move. So the fact that we're getting stuck here, I would say we are going to pull back once again. So we're either going to hold the middle or we're going to come back down here to the bottom, maybe with a wick below, which would be the prime buying opportunity, in my opinion, for Ape here. So just kind of keep a close eye on these price targets. If it comes down here and we hit this $1.73 and wick down to about a $1.70, $1.68, or whatever it's going to be, that may be the bottom for Ape, and this thing's going to blast out of here from there. So just be very aware of that. And of course, none of this is financial advice, but sooner rather than later, it's only a matter of time, as the thumbnail says. Ape is going to make its move to the upside, I would say, after forming this nice bullish pattern here. So yeah, Ape looks good right now for a buy, at one of these price points, in my opinion. And we'll see how high this thing can go. It may be like all the other tokens out there. It's going to have that protection bounce, and it's going to gun for that 200-day EMA somewhere up here, as we discussed last time, up in this high $2 range, maybe even $3. So we'll see how it plays out. Just as of now, just kind of watch these prices as it bounces around, going sideways and down in this channel, and we'll see at what point we make that higher low and we start moving higher on Ape. So we will leave it at that for now. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.